A home should feel like a peaceful retreat. Whether you're relaxing after work, helping kids with homework, or enjoying a quiet weekend morning, unwanted outdoor noise can disrupt comfort. Traffic, lawn equipment, neighborhood activity, and everyday sounds can easily travel through older or poorly insulated windows. For homeowners in Covington, upgrading to replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to reduce outdoor noise and create a quieter indoor environment. Why older windows let noise in? Many older windows were not designed with sound reduction in mind. Over time, window seals can weaken, frames can shift, and small gaps can form around the edges. In Covington homes, these issues allow sound waves to pass through more easily. Even minor air leaks often double as noise entry points, making rooms feel less peaceful. Multi-pane glass makes a difference. Modern replacement windows typically feature double or triple pane glass. The space between the panes acts as a barrier that slows down sound transmission. For Covington homeowners, this added layer of insulation significantly reduces the amount of outside noise that enters the home. Improved sealing and tight-fitted sound often travels through gaps around window frames. Replacement windows are custom-fitted to your home's openings. In Covington residences, professional installation ensures tight seals around the frame, minimizing both air leakage and sound infiltration. Advanced glass technology. Many modern windows are built with specialized glass options designed to reduce noise. These glass configurations are engineered to dampen vibrations from external sounds. Covington homeowners benefit from a noticeable decrease in traffic noise, neighborhood activity, and other disruptions. Thicker frames and stronger construction. Replacement windows often include reinforced frames and stronger materials. In Covington homes, these durable components help block vibrations and prevent sound from penetrating through weak structural points. Creating a more comfortable living environment. Noise reduction improves more than just quiet, it enhances overall comfort. Covington homeowners who upgrade their windows often report better sleep quality, easier conversations, and a calmer indoor atmosphere. Reduced background noise makes daily life more enjoyable. Supporting home office productivity. With more people working from home, quiet spaces have become increasingly important. Replacement windows in Covington can help reduce distractions from outside noise, creating a more focused and productive environment for home offices or study areas. Enhancing property appeal. A quieter home is an attractive feature for many buyers. In Covington neighborhoods, homes with modern replacement windows stand out for both their comfort and performance benefits. Noise reduction adds another layer of value to the upgrade. Long-term performance benefits. In addition to sound control, replacement windows provide improved insulation and durability. Covington homeowners enjoy the combined advantages of noise reduction and enhanced energy efficiency. This dual benefit makes replacement windows a smart long-term investment. A peaceful upgrade for everyday living. Outdoor noise may be unavoidable, but its impact inside your home doesn't have to be. For homeowners in Covington, replacement windows offer a practical solution for creating a quieter, more comfortable living space. With multi-pane glass, secure seals, and durable construction, modern windows significantly reduce sound intrusion while enhancing overall home performance. By upgrading your windows, you're not just improving aesthetics, you're investing in peace of mind and a more tranquil home environment.